How to upload designs to Acuity scheduling from Canva. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload website designs from Canva to Acuity scheduling. So let's get into it. If you have an Acuity scheduling website, if you have an appointment booking website, and you struggle with the appearance and you actually want to make your website look good, aesthetically pleasing, then you can use canva.com to design your website. So once you design a website on Canva, we will be able to upload the designs on Acuity. How to do that? You're going to go to acuity.com. You will select your website. Now, this is my home for Acuity scheduling for one of the websites that I have. So now we have this appearance option right here. You will be able to see under client schedule page, we have customize appearance. You're going to select customize appearance here. And then we have the appearance here. So we have a simple appearance where my clients will be able to see a monthly or a daily calendars. I have selected monthly here. Then we have our business name. Then we have our business industry, and we have a logo and scheduling instruction. Now, this is where my client will be able to actually see my brand. This is where they need to actually check out something that is appealing and they will book the appointment. So for this, I will create a logo and some instruction design for my website on canva.com, and then we will upload it on our Acuity. Keep in mind, this design is going to be the simple booking button is going to be under. We have like a simple format for the booking we have within our Acuity scheduling. This design is going to be purely for the appearance to show clients that what are the different deals that they will be getting. For instance, I have a makeup and hair appointment website. So what I want to do is I want to show my clients that these are the deals available on my website, on our channel, and these are the different main appearance of the website to actually align with my brand. For that, so this is where we will upload. Now we can go to our canva.com. Canva.com is an online designing tool. You can use it for free, and you will be able to create a website design. Here we will be creating, number one, a logo, and then we will create designs for the website. So let's get started with the logo first. I'm going to select the logo layout here. We can select a custom size, or I can go for logo here, and it will take me to my logo canvas. So here I can select the design. So in my case, I have a color for my brand. So I'm going to select that one. We have this color right here. I can select the color from here. Now, the background color is going to be like this. We can add the text, of course, on Canva. We can add elements. We can even upload images. This is where I will upload my image as well to add to the website, and if I have any other thing that I want to add. So I'm going to go to the headings here and add a heading. So my website name is Sasha Hair and Makeup. So that's what I'm going to add here. We have session name here, and we will change the, this is what it looks like. I'm going to change the font now. So click on the fonts, and Canva will allow to select from multiple fonts available. So I'm going to select this one here and make it a little bigger so that we can actually read it on our website. So I will make the text bigger and place it in the middle, but a little lower like this. Then we can add different elements here. We can add any logo. For instance, from here, I can add the elements. I'm going to go for a graphic. So in graphic, I am looking for this right here. We can add this for the salon, or I can go for here, or any other, element from here. We have this one too, but I'm going to go with this one, and I think this looks pretty good. This is my logo for the website and for my brand. So you can see with Canva, we can create professional logos. We will be able to create professional website designs and more. So once this is created, you can see this is done. We're going to click on share, and now I will download. So my logo will be downloaded. Perfect. Now the logo has been created and downloaded. We will upload to our Acuity scheduling. So here we have choose file. I will click right here and choose a file from my computer. So here the file has been added. You can see now it has a PNG attached. We can move on to the next step, which is going to be adding images here. So for that, I'm going to go to home of our Canva, and we can select a website layout. So I'm going to go to the custom size here. we want the pages to be website size. So in custom size, you're going to add 1366 by 768. This is going to be the website layout. And we're going to select pixels here, click on create new design, and it will take you to design your website. So this is what I designed already. You can see we have our main page, and then we have another page that I created. So let me show you how we do that. I'm going to create another page in front of you. So first of all, we're going to select a background color. So the background color is going to be same as we have for the first two. And here in this page, this is like the first page I added for my brand. We added an image from the upload section here. Then I added the text. It is the same font that I used for the logo. Then I added this text, which is book now. That's it. Then moving on, we had this second page. Let me show you how I created this one. So we have a background color. Now I'm going to go to the elements and I'm going to select this box right here. This is a shape and we can add it. So here we had like two deals that I have going on. And then I'm going to create another one here. We have like special offers going on. So I'm going to add them right here. We will expand it a little bit like so. And we're going to place it in the middle like this. So now it's in the middle. We're going to click on these three dots and I'm going to make it a little bit transparent like this. We're going to go to the text here and add a subheading. This is where I will add my text. So I have added my text here. You can see we have a special offer and I added the text that we had very simply. Now I can design it a little bit. We can go to the elements and in elements, I can add different graphics to it. So I'm going to click on the graphics and kind of like check all. We have magic recommendations here. These are the ones that actually go pretty well with the website design that we are creating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this flower here. And we're going to place it here at the top like so. Then what I'm going to do is I will be adding this. Then I'm going to add this one right here, this rainbow style. And we'll place it here at the bottom. So now you can see we have a new page created. Similarly, I have two other pages and you can see this is what it looks like. This is my website design. Now, what you need to do is we will actually download these separately to upload on Acuity. So you're gonna go to the share option here, click on download, and then you're gonna change from all pages to, you're gonna select the first one and download. Once it's done, the next time you're gonna select the second page. Once it's done, you're gonna select the third page and download. So you will download separately because we will be uploading them one by one. Now that all of your pages are saved, we will upload on Acuity. You can see this is what it looks like. You can create any kind of pages on Canva. You can also go to the design section here and it will show you a lot of different templates to go for. You can select from templates. You can add different elements. You can select text, colors, whatever you want to, and create a professional design. So now we're going to get to our appearance on Acuity. So here we have the instruction. This is where I will add my images. So you will be able to find the insert image option right here at the top. Click on insert image and click on choose file. Now we're going to select the first page. So you can see this is what it will look like. The first page has been added. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add a little space. Click on insert image and upload the second image. So now we have two images added. You can see the first one and the second one. Now let's add the third one the similar way. Add some space. Click on insert image and choose your file. And third will be added too. So you can see this is what my website looks like. Now it's looking very professional and my clients will be able to get a better idea that we have these deals and special offers going on, and they will be able to select an appointment and book appointments with my Acuity scheduling. Of course, this is all under appearance here in customize appearance and it will be uploaded on your website. You will also be able to get a preview from this option right here. This way, you will be able to show your clients your brand and your pages and websites, and you don't need to actually use coding to customize. You will be able to just create a professional design with Canva. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Now you know how to upload designs from Canva to Acuity scheduling. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.